Hi guys, I want to show you the light fixture that I built. It kind of has an old world vibe to it. It was pretty simple to construct, and I'm going to show you where I got the parts on Amazon. It was fairly easy to build, and you can do it with just a little bit of spare time. Alright, here is the wooden stick that I purchased from Home Depot. I think it was about $8.50 for the stick. It's just a wooden, I think this is a hickory stick, might even be pine or birch, I don't really remember. But it's just a plain stick. It was about 12 foot long, and I knew I was going to be cutting it down after the measurements, so the size didn't matter too much as long as it was longer than I needed. And then I had some Rust-Oleum laying around, which is good for both metal and wood, so I went ahead and spray painted that. And as I put the hooks in, I spray painted the hooks as well so everything would match. Now here's the chains hanging on the anchors on the hooks in the ceiling. When you purchase the cord, it comes with the hooks and the anchors. The chains I purchased separately at Home Depot, just a little bag of chains. I think it was 10 or 15 foot long, and I cut them down to the size I needed so I could hang it where I wanted to. These are the anchors that I used. It came with some generic anchors, but I used a little bit higher quality anchors. And then finally you see the finished product. So depending on the settings of my camera, you're going to see it's either blurred out like this, a little bit more yellow, or whatever the case may be. What you're seeing right now is not exactly true to what it looks like in person, but it does kind of give you an idea of the way my lights are set up. I don't have any light in here except for ambient light and the lights you see behind me. Tonight we're going to see what it looks like with zero light, or zero ambient light, nothing from the sun, right? But these are Edison bulbs, and I bought all four of these Edison bulbs the exact same because I wanted it to kind of have the same look. There's a bunch of different kinds of Edison bulbs you can go out there. I might just swap them out just to see, different looks and have a little bit of fun with it. So I hope you've enjoyed this project, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and click that bell to be notified of any future videos that I make. So until next time, if I can help you save a few bucks, I will help you save a few bucks.